Hello everyone and welcome to LS1 Discovery, a series of short videos by the LS1 team where we will cover some of the core functionality of LS1. My name is Andries Roux and I'm the product director for LS1. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a kit item. A kit item is very useful if you want to create an item that consists of a number of items and you want to give it an overall price as opposed to the aggregated price of the items together. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new item and I'm going to call this new kitchen kit. It has to have an inventory unit. In this case I'm going to select pieces, and it also has to have a tax group which I'm going to call standard. There's a couple of things I need to do further. First of all, I'm going to allow a zero price as the price I'm going to take from the individual items, and I'm going to apply a discount to it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to link all the items in that belongs to this kit. So there are three items I'm going to select: the dishwasher, one, the refrigerator, also going to select one item, and lastly I'm going to select the washing machine, also one item. Another important part to this is that I need to create a mix and match offer that consists of these three items and provide a deal price. I'm not going to go into details about how to create a mix and match offer, as I cover this in one of my other videos. I'm just going to show you how this was configured briefly. I create a mix and match offer and I select a deal price of $4.99, and this particular deal price consists of three items, which again is my dishwasher, my refrigerator and my washing machine. I'm going to go ahead and enable this mix and match offer. Now if I open my point of sale and I select the new kitchen kit, each of the items will be added to the transaction one by one with serial numbers, and a discount will be applied with the total price as per the amount specified in my mix and match of $4.99. To recap, in this lesson I showed you how to create a kit item. First, what you need to do is create a new item, and you have to link all the individual items to that particular item. You need to create a mix and match offer that matches the items that is in the kit offer that you link into. Enable the mix and match offer, and then you can sell it on your point of sale. Thank you for viewing this demonstration video. For more LS1 product videos, please visit YouTube and type in LS1 tutorials. You can also visit our website, lsretail.com, and from products you can navigate to LS1 to find more information about the product and also purchase information. A free trial is also available for those interested. Thank you again, and we'd like to hear from you very soon.